Good morning. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr, taking you through another look of a hot and humid Thursday morning forecast. Meteorologist Kristen Walsh, she's got this morning off. Here's a look at some numbers. So far in Bowling Green, as of the official numbers on Wednesday, we are 2.7 degrees so far this month above average, with that average temperature of 82.5, just exceptionally warm so far in the month of July. And there really does not look to be much relief from the above average temperatures. You see here well into the mid-90s over the next 5 days. Heat index values easily above 100. So we're going to continue to be a little bit more and more and more above average as we go through the next several days. But that does make it great weather to cool off in your backyard or your community pool next couple of days. But please make sure you still got to exercise common sense, drink lots of fluids, mainly water, and put on the sunscreen. You get a very severe sunburn this time of the year if you're outside in the pool or doing any outdoor activities. Please use common sense to keep yourself safe out there. Temperatures back up into the 90s by about the lunch hour or so, and it stays very hot. You see the heat index values easily surpassing 100 degrees across the entire region here. Could there be one or two stray showers? That's certainly possible, but not necessarily likely. I think we're going to see another day of those crystal clear blue skies with 1, 2, or 3 puffy cumulus clouds by this afternoon, but a very typical late July day across the tri-state here with that heat and that humidity really not going anywhere. We'll be quiet tonight, but still very warm, very muggy, and we'll really just do this all over again as we get into our Friday with temperatures back up into the 90s. So another day of punishing heat, not much in the way of relief from the winds either. Very little in the way of a breeze. We'll call it 95 in Bowling Green, and that's about where everybody will end up here, well into the 90s across the tri-state, mid-70s by early Friday morning. And then as we look ahead at the extended forecast, there is a slightly better chance, I think, for a couple of stray showers and storms as we get into the weekend, but there's also some signs that it will get even potentially hotter as we get into early next week.
Thank you for keeping